Dear children, today we will start chapter 1 Integers, exercise 1.1, question number 1. Following number lines show the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Sub-question A. Observe this number line and write the temperatures of the places marked on it. Solution. The temperature of the places. Lahaul Spiti -8 degree temperature, Srinagar -2 degree Celsius, Simla 5 degree temperature, Ooty 14 degree Celsius, Bengaluru 22 degree Celsius temperature. Sub-question B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Solution. The temperature of the hottest place is Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the coldest place, Lahaul Spiti, is -8 degrees Celsius. The difference between the temperatures is equal 22 degree minus -8 degree. So minus plus 8. So 22 degree plus 8 degree is equal 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places is 30 degree. Sub-question C. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Solution. The temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar equal -2 degree plus 8 degree, which is 6 degrees Celsius. Sub-question D. Can we say temperatures of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? It is also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Solution. Temperature at Srinagar and Simla taken together is -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, which is 3 degrees Celsius. Temperature at Simla equal 5 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius less than 5 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. Temperature at Srinagar is -2 degree. 3 degrees Celsius greater than -2 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature at Srinagar and Simla taken together is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Solution. Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. First we will write positive integers, then we will write negative integers, which means 50 minus 15. Answer is 35. Thus, total scores in 5 successive rounds was 35. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Solution. At Srinagar, the temperature on Monday equal -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, the temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. the temperature on Tuesday equal minus 5 degree plus minus 2 degree. Minus plus minus, so minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, the temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature on Wednesday equal minus 7 degree plus 4 degrees Celsius. Minus plus minus, so minus 3 degrees Celsius answer. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? If sea level is taken as 0, then the height of the plane above sea level is plus 5,000 meters and height of the submarine is minus 1200 meters. The distance between the plane and the submarine is equal difference between their heights. 5,000 meter minus 1200 meter. So minus plus 1200. 5,000 plus 1200 meter, which is 6,200 meter. So the distance between the plane and the submarine is 6,200 meter. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposit? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Withdrawal of money is represented by a negative integer rupees 1,642. So, depositing money will be represented by a positive integer rupees 2,000. The balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is equal 2,000 plus minus 1,642. So, minus plus minus, that is rupees 358. So, the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal will be rupees 358. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Now solution. Distance towards east from the point A is positive. So the distance towards west from the point A will be negative. Rita first goes 20 km east from A, that is shown by point B. Then she goes 30 km west from point B. So Rita's final position will be represented by 20 km plus minus 30 km. Plus minus minus, so minus 10 is answer. In the final position, Rita is 10 km towards west from the point A. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. First square. In square 1, the sum of numbers along one diagonal is equal 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, which is 0. the sum of numbers along the other diagonal equal -4 plus -2 plus 0, which is -6, and -6 not equal to 0, since the sum of numbers along the two diagonal is not the same. Therefore, square 1 is not a magic square. Second square. The sum of numbers along the first row equal 1 plus -10 plus 0 equal -9. Along the second row also -9. Along the third row, which is -9. Along the first column, that is -9. Along the second column, that is also -9. Along the third column, that is also -9. Along one diagonal, which is -9. Along the other diagonal, which is also -9. Here, the sum of the numbers along each row, column and diagonal is the same, -9. So, square 2 is a magic square. Question number 8. Verify A minus B is equal A plus B for the following values of A and B. First, A equal 21, B equal 18. We know that subtracting one number from the other is same and adding the additive inverse of the number to the other number. LHS equal A minus B. LHS means left hand side of 0. Here A value is 21 minus B value is 18 equal 21 minus plus 18, which is 39. Now RHS. RHS means right hand side of 0. RHS is equal A plus B. A equal 21, B equal 18. So 21 plus 18, which is 39. Therefore LHS is equal RHS. Now sub question 2. A equal 118, B equal 125. LHS is equal A minus B. 118 minus 125, which is 118 plus 125 minus plus equal 243. Now RHS is equal A plus B. A means 118, B means 125, which is 243. Therefore, LHS is equal RHS. Question number 8. Sub question number 3. A equal 75, B equal 84. LHS is equal A minus B. 75 minus 84 equal 75 minus plus 84, that is 159. Now RHS equal A plus B equal 75 plus 84, that is also 159. Therefore LHS equal RHS. Now sub question number 4. A equal 28 and B equal 11. Now LHS is equal A minus B. A means 28 and B means minus 11. So 28 minus 11. So 28 minus plus 11, that is 39. Now RHS equal A plus B. 28 plus 11, that is also 39. Therefore LHS is equal RHS. Question number 9. Use the sign greater than, less than or equal in the box to make the statements true. A minus 8 plus minus 4 and minus 8 minus minus 4 equal minus 8 minus plus minus 4 equal minus 12 and minus 8 minus minus plus 4 equal minus 4. Minus 12 is less than minus 4, therefore minus 8 plus minus 4 less than minus 8 minus minus 4. Sub question B, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 and 15 minus 8 plus minus 9 equal minus 3 plus 7 minus plus minus 19 is equal minus 15 and 15 minus 8 minus plus minus 9 is equal minus 2. That is minus 15 less than minus 2. Therefore minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 less than 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Sub question C, 23 minus 41 plus 11 and 23 minus 41 minus 11 is equal 23 minus 41 plus 11 equal minus 7 and 23 minus 41 minus 11 is equal minus 29 is equal minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Therefore 23 minus 41 plus 11 is greater than 23 minus 41 minus 11. Question number 9, sub question D, 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 and 36 plus minus 52 minus minus 36, which is 39 minus plus minus 24 minus plus minus 15 equals 0 and 36 minus plus minus 52 minus minus plus 36, which is 20 equal 0 less than 20. Therefore 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 is less than 36 plus minus 52 minus minus 36. Now sub question E, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 and minus 399 plus 159 plus 81, which is minus 231 plus 79 plus 51, which is minus 101 and minus 399 plus 159 plus 81, which is minus 159. That is minus 101 is greater than minus 159. Therefore minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 is greater than minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. Sub question 1. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Solution. The monkey jumps 3 steps down and then jumps 2 steps up. The monkey is on the first step. Look at the jumps and the steps. From the above table, you can see how many jumps monkey has to take. The water is at the 9th step. So, the monkey reaches the water in 11 jumps. Sub question number 2. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Now solution. The monkey is on the 9th step. For going back to the top, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps 2 steps down. Look at the jumps and the steps. From the above table, we can see that the monkey reaches the first step in 5 jumps. Sub question number 3. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. A. Minus 3 plus 2 minus dash is equal minus 8. B. 4 minus 2 plus dash equal 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So, what will the sum 8 in B represent? Now solution A. The monkey moves in part 1 are, which is minus 3 plus 2 plus 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 minus 3. Now first we will write all negative integers, then we will write positive integers. That is minus 18 plus 10. That is minus 8 is answer. Now B. The monkey moves in part 2 are 4 plus minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 2 plus 4. Same way, first we will write positive integer, then we will write negative integer, which is 12 minus 4, which is 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. In B, the sum 8 will represents going up by 8 steps. Thank you. Bye-bye.